welcome to CJ Wine Money Entertainment. Let's get down to it. I got this package and I'm going to show you what's inside. I really don't feel like nothing. I don't really remember. So, here we go with I just need a box. For those don't know, I get happy with boxes because I get to use the knife. And this is cute. These are the new hand spinners. And I love to get stuff for my little honeybees. Hi, little honeybees. Little honeybees. The honeybees is my subscriber. Little honeybees are the children that's under 18 years of age. Because my channel is family friendly. So, I like to get stuff for the kids. A children's giveaway. And an adult's giveaway. So, let's see this. I like spinners, and I'm going to leave one up here or two up here that I've gotten before. One is just a regular spinner, and one is my spinner that I have that's in a case. And, it's fancy. It's gold because of nugget. So, these are the new ones that's out. And this is one of the ones. Look how pretty that is. It looks like a flower. And I get the professional spinners. I don't like really get the cheap ones. So, yes, you can undo the middle to get ahead and clean your ball bearings. And yes, it's a smooth spin. Because CJ smooth like that. Look how long that spin is going. And it feels like you can do all kinds of tricks with it. Whoa, look at that. Pow, still spinning. And it'll keep on spinning through the whole video. So, let me tell you about this one. Well, let's stop the spinning. It's got that nice blue. And it's got that silver. It's not sharp at the edges. Got that really nice smooth spin to it. It looks fancy. It's got a little indentation on the top so you can get ahead and do tricks back and forth. And this, if you're interested in checking out this spinner, and the link below in my description, just hit on it and it will tell you about this spinner, how much it costs, the different type, but these are the new spinners. Slap that subscribe button because you want to see more of me and my things and my stuff, and you want to be a honeybee. Play with me. Oh, throw them lights up. Don't forget.